The world is full of dangerous animals that pose a threat to human life. Some are venomous, while others are simply large enough to cause damage through brute force. In this video, we'll explore the top 15 deadliest animals on our planet, based on the number of human fatalities they cause each year. Stay tuned until the end to see which animal tops the list. Number 15. Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are the deadliest animals in the world, responsible for hundreds of thousands of deaths every year. These tiny insects spread diseases such as malaria, dengue, Zika, and yellow fever, which claim countless lives. According to the World Health Organization, mosquitoes are responsible for around 725,000 to 780,000 deaths per year. Malaria alone claims more than 400,000 lives annually, making mosquitoes far and away the most dangerous animal on Earth. Their ability to transmit deadly viruses and parasites through their bites makes them a constant threat to humans worldwide. Number 14. Humans homicides only. Humans are the second deadliest species on Earth, causing hundreds of thousands of deaths each year through homicide. While humans have the potential for great good, they also possess the capacity for extreme violence and brutality. According to the United Nations, there are approximately 400,000 to 475,000 homicides worldwide every year. This means that on average, nearly 1,100 people are killed intentionally each day. The true number may be even higher, as many homicides go unreported, especially in areas with limited access to healthcare and law enforcement. It's ironic that the species, with a capacity for both great love and unspeakable violence, is also responsible for some of the world's most horrific atrocities. Number 13. Snakes. Snakes are among the most feared creatures on Earth, and for good reason. With over 3,600 species of snakes worldwide, including 360 venomous ones, these reptiles pose a significant danger to humans. Snake bites, particularly from venomous snakes, such as cobras and vipers, can cause tissue damage, organ failure, and death. According to the World Health Organization, snake bites claim around 100,000 to 138,000 lives each year, primarily in rural areas of Africa, Asia, and Latin America. Many snakebite victims seek treatment promptly, but antivenom is often unavailable or too expensive. As a result, thousands of people die each year from snake bites. Number 12. Dogs via rabies transmission. Despite being man's best friend, dogs can be carriers of deadly diseases. Rabies, a viral infection of the nervous system, is transmitted through the saliva of infected animals, including dogs. When a rabid animal bites a human, the virus can enter the body and cause fatal neurological damage. According to the World Health Organization, dogs are responsible for approximately 25,000 to 59,000 human deaths from rabies each year, primarily in developing countries with limited access to veterinary care and public health services. To prevent the spread of rabies, it's crucial to vaccinate pets and avoid contact with wild animals. Number 11. Assassin bugs. Assassin bugs, also known as kissing bugs, are a group of insects that pose a serious health risk to humans. These bugs typically feed on human blood, and in the process, they can transmit a parasite that causes Chagas disease. Chagas disease can lead to severe health complications, such as heart failure and digestive problems. And it's estimated that assassin bugs cause around 10,000 to 12,000 deaths per year worldwide. Despite their relatively small size and harmless appearance, assassin bugs are considered one of the world's deadliest animals, due to the potentially fatal consequences of their bite. Number 10. Freshwater snails. Freshwater snails may seem like harmless creatures that add to the ecosystem of lakes, rivers, and ponds, but they can actually be deadly to humans. These snails are known to carry a parasitic worm that causes a disease called schistosomiasis. Schistosomiasis can cause severe damage to the liver, intestines, and other organs, and it's estimated that freshwater snails are responsible for around 20,000 to over 200,000 fatalities per year. Depending on the source, the impact of these snails on human health varies depending on factors such as access to clean water and healthcare. However, they remain one of the most dangerous animals in the world, due to the widespread nature of schistosomiasis. No. 9. Tsetse flies. Tsetse flies are found in sub-Saharan Africa, and these flies are known to carry a parasite that causes a deadly disease called sleeping sickness, or trypanosomiasis. Sleeping sickness can cause serious neurological damage, and if left untreated, it can be fatal. According to the World Health Organization, tsetse flies are responsible for around 10,000 deaths from sleeping sickness each year. The disease is most common in remote areas where people have limited access to healthcare. However, thanks to increased awareness and control efforts, the number of cases has decreased in recent years. Number 8. Crocodiles. Crocodiles are among the most feared predators in the world, and for good reason. These reptiles are known for their powerful jaws and aggressive behavior, and they can easily overpower their prey. In terms of human fatalities, crocodiles are responsible for approximately 1,000 deaths per year, most of which occur in Africa and Southeast Asia. They often target humans who venture into their territory, such as fishermen or swimmers, and their strength should not be underestimated. A single crocodile can drag a full-grown human underwater with ease, making them one of the most formidable predators on Earth. Number 7. Elephants. Elephants are majestic creatures that roam the earth, and they're known for their intelligence and social complexity. However, these gentle giants can also be incredibly dangerous to humans. Elephants are responsible for around 500 deaths per year, most of which occur in Africa and Asia. Elephants can trample humans to death if they feel threatened or if they come into contact with them accidentally. In some cases, elephants may also defend their young by attacking humans who come too close. Despite their size and strength, elephants are generally peaceful creatures, and human-elephant conflicts are rare. However, when they do occur, they can be deadly. Number 6. Hippopotamuses. Hippopotamuses are often overlooked as one of the most dangerous animals in the world, but they're responsible for around 500 fatalities per year. These large mammals spend much of their time in the water, and they can be incredibly aggressive towards humans who enter their territory. Hippopotamuses are known to capsize boats and charge anyone who gets too close to them in the water. In fact, they're responsible for more deaths in Africa than any other land mammal except for humans. Their size, strength, and unpredictable behavior make them a formidable threat to humans, and it's best to admire these creatures from a safe distance. No. 5. Scorpions. Scorpions are found in various habitats worldwide, and these arthropods are known for their venomous sting. Scorpion stings can cause severe pain, swelling, and even death. According to the World Health Organization, scorpions are responsible for about 2,600 deaths per year, primarily in tropical and subtropical regions. The severity of a scorpion sting can vary depending on the species, but some scorpions can deliver a neurotoxic venom that's fatal to humans. In areas where scorpions are prevalent, it is important to take precautions to avoid stings and seek medical attention promptly if stung by a scorpion. Number 4. Tapeworms. Tapeworms are parasitic worms that can infect humans and other animals. Tapeworm eggs can be ingested through contaminated food or water, and once inside the body, they can grow into long, flat worms that absorb nutrients from the host's digestive system. Tapeworm infections can cause symptoms such as abdominal pain, nausea, and weight loss. In severe cases, tapeworms can lead to a condition called cysticercosis, which occurs when tapeworm larvae develop in the brain or other tissues. Cysticercosis can cause seizures, headaches, and even death. According to the World Health Organization, tapeworms are responsible for an estimated 700 to 2,000 deaths per year. Number 3. Lions. Lions are among the most feared predators in the world, and for good reason. These big cats are known for their strength and agility, and they're capable of taking down large prey with ease. Lions are responsible for around 22 to 200 human deaths per year, primarily in parts of Africa. They often target humans who venture into their territory, such as hunters or those working in national parks. Lions are also known to attack livestock, which can lead to conflict between humans and lions. In some cases, lions may be protecting their young or defending their territory, while in others, they may be driven by hunger or territoriality. Number 2. Wolves. Wolves are often portrayed as ferocious and dangerous creatures, and while they are capable of causing harm to humans, they rarely do so. Wolves are typically shy and elusive animals that prefer to avoid humans. However, there have been instances of wolves attacking and killing humans. On average, wolves are responsible for about 10 fatalities per year in some regions. Most wolf attacks occur when humans enter wolf territory, or when wolves feel threatened or cornered. Despite their reputation as vicious killers, wolves play a vital role in maintaining healthy ecosystems and are an integral part of the natural world. Number 1. Sharks. Sharks are among the most feared creatures in the ocean, and their reputation is largely due to their portrayal in popular culture. However, despite their sharp teeth and predatory instincts, sharks are responsible for a surprisingly low number of human deaths each year. On average, Sharks cause about 6 deaths per year globally. Shark attacks are rare, and most sharks do not view humans as a food source. However, there are a few species of sharks, such as tiger sharks and bull sharks, that are known to be more aggressive and responsible for a higher number of attacks. It's important to remember that sharks are essential to the health of the ocean ecosystem and should be respected and protected.